What's up, everyone? It's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to be picking up his new Jeep. You excited?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
He's going to be going off-road hopefully soon. It's going to be a good time.
Yes.
Getting rid of that Ford.
Well, yeah. So I'm going back to a Jeep. Been a long time, and looks like it's going to be an old CJ-7. So.
Ooh, you heard that. So let's go pick it up, guys.
And then it would turn it on and off at a certain time.
So you take this and then try to put it on that.
Yeah, it's just like it's actually cheap. They're like 10, I can't say 50 or 20 bucks to
Yeah.
put on the negative side. And then that would come on and off on its own. Price never got to it. It was kind of, and then the other positions do the other fans in it.
Taking it for a little test drive. Just saw it. It's not too bad. It's in decent shape. Needs a little bit of work, but overall, it's kind of nice.
Price isn't bad.
Price isn't bad. But yeah, having some fun on a little dirt road out here. That's why it's so bumpy. One thing we noticed, he might should have brought a better jacket. It's kind of chilly tonight.
A little chilly.
So that's going to be a fun drive home. It took us, what, about 2 hours to get here? Probably 2 hours to get back with traffic.
It's going to be cold.
It's going to be so cold. But it's alright, I got a heater in mine. He doesn't have the heater. I'll just stay in front of him and blow exhaust, and maybe that'll be warm.
That would keep.
Nice little CJ-7. Definitely needs some work. Tub's kind of rusted. Running. Alright, so we're over here looking at this CJ-7. It's pretty nice. Like I said, the only big thing with it is it does have a little rust on the tub. And yes, those are jets flying around us. It's right by Air Force Base, so it's real loud. Overall, not too bad. The frame's in really good shape, so we might be pulling the trigger. We'll see. Who knows? Alright guys, so we ended up not getting the Jeep, unfortunately, but I can understand why. It's a little bit more work than he was really wanting to put in, and I completely understand because he would have had to replace the tub. It was pretty rusty.
Yeah. The whole tub was pretty much gone in it.
Yeah.
Everything mechanically was good on it. I just don't have the time and money to put that much money into the body work, so.
Which I can understand, that's a lot of work, and he was trying to use this as a daily, so the last thing you want to do is be buying a daily and immediately have to be spending like $2,000–3,000. So yeah, that's it for today. Give the video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and I got some fun videos coming soon. So we're gonna be messing with Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets. It's gonna be a good video, so Ben, if you're watching, be prepared.